everyone, and today I would like to share with you my new eating plan. I was getting frustrated the last few months because I was eating very healthy but did not see any results in my fat loss, even though I was consistent with my exercising and healthy eating. So what I decided to start a new plan and to learn about nutrition to find out what I was doing wrong. I don't like counting calories or macros, so what I was doing, I was eating 4 small meals per day and I was sure I was going to see results very soon, but I was wrong. 1 year ago, I also did the intermittent fasting, actually alternate day fasting. I got great results in a very short time. I was even exercising, but after about 4 weeks, but I didn't keep up with it and all the weight came back and I had a knee injury as well. So the first lesson learned is counting calories does matter a great deal if you want to lose weight or fat. There are many other factors that contribute to this, but the most important one is calories in and calories out, and then comes the macro ratio. I will talk about this in another video. Anyway, I wanted to speed things up a little bit while I'm still learning about nutrition and decided to pay a nutrition advisor to make me a personal plan. So according to my calories for my specific goal, which is to lose fat and to get more lean. I don't care much about using scale, but you must have one in order to count how many calories you need to consume if you want to lose or gain weight. So the good thing about having a scale is it keeps you in a reality check. But as long as I feel good and look good in the mirror, I am happy despite the numbers on the scale. So scale is important to have so that you can count your calories, but if you're happy the way you look in the mirror, that's the way it is. So after getting my meal plan designed for me, I organized myself and went shopping. So the first thing I did was I made a huge shopping list. I wrote down every single food item I needed for my 7-day meal plan, which I must repeat for 6 to 8 weeks. I need to regularly update my nutrition advisor about my progress so that she can make changes if I need them. So everyone's body is different and sometimes you need to make small changes, tricks here and there, a few adjustments to get the results. So in my case, the diet she made for me works perfectly for now. I lost 4 kilograms in 3 weeks. In the first week I lost 3 kilograms or 2 centimeters around my hips and belly, which was my goal, to get more leaner around this area as my arms, face and calf muscles look okay. Here you can see the pictures of me on the first day of my eating plan and after 7 days. So my meals are very simple to make. All I need is a scale to measure all my ingredients, and it takes me about 30 to 40 minutes to cook my food for the day. I usually cook my food in the morning for the entire day. I don't like cooking food a few days in advance because I like my food fresh, and especially chicken. It gets really hard, so I do my chicken every day. I'm not allowed to eat dairy products apart from low-fat ricotta cheese and low-fat feta cheese, but in a very small quantities. It's about, I think, 50 grams. Feta cheese I'm allowed to replace with my homemade kefir, but only on days when I'm allowed to eat them. So it's not every day. From supplements, I need a whey protein to make my sweet oatmeal and pudding with ricotta cheese. And yes, with very little fat. I'm not allowed to eat any pasta at the moment or sugar apart from berries in my oatmeal and Granny Smith apples. The food I'm allowed to eat is whole food, including a lot of lettuce, broccoli, leek, cauliflower, eggs, only chicken breasts and tuna fish. I'm not allowed to eat any beef at the moment, and any white sea water fish, but only on specific days. Sweet potatoes are also allowed. Cabbage, brown rice, organic brown rice cakes, peanut butter, almond butter, hazelnuts, almonds, pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds, but I have to measure these because these are very high in calories. So as I said, I need to measure all the food, which I don't find hard. I have a cute little scale because it just takes like a minute to do this. Also, David, my husband, has joined me on this journey, but since a man needs more calories than I am, I'm not too specific about counting his calories. I'm just putting a little bit more food on his plate than on mine, and he's already losing weight too. So I hope that you like this video. This is my update for you guys, and I want to hear from you. What is the thing that you most struggle with when eating healthy? Is it losing fat or weight, or gaining muscle or weight? What is your biggest struggle? Mine was definitely portion control. I was eating healthy, but too much of everything. I love exercising at home, so that was never a problem for me because I work by computer all the time, and you know, I get stiff, so I really like exercising. So that's it, and see you in the next video with more updates on my diet. I am also planning to make more content on nutrition, recipes, etc. So don't forget to have fun and stay fit and healthy after 40. Follow us on all of our social media, and that's coming right up after this video.